What does your 3-year-old carry in her everyday EDC go bag? Let's talk about that. Carabiner, hair ties, sorry for a horrible video, coloring page, some light reading, something to jog all of her notes on, snacks, picture of her brother, Snowflake, tissues, coloring and puzzles, our State Farm Insurance Agent's business card, cars, a very special bracelet to her, given to her by someone special, a washcloth, a disposable towel, wet wipes, toothbrush, a Riri doll. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what Riri is. A challenge coin, a flashlight, another pair of sunglasses, a knife, because you can't have too many, a spare set of clothes, a travel set of utensils, and last but not least, dun, 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 another lightsaber. Have a good day.